Before you buy any Bluetooth card for your PC, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of them silently fail when you already have built-in Bluetooth or an old adapter running. I learned this the hard way, until I found ones that actually work without driver nightmares or dropouts. Product number 1, UGREN USB Bluetooth 5.3. Let's start with the UGREN USB Bluetooth 5.3 adapter. This tiny $9 dongle caught my eye because it's from a brand known for reliable cables and hubs, and it delivers. If you want plug-and-play simplicity for basic peripherals like a mouse, keyboard, or headphones, this is worth a serious look. You can connect up to 5 devices at once, though only one audio device can play sound at a time, so don't expect stereo speakers and headphones to work simultaneously. The best part? No drivers needed on Windows 11, 10, or 8.1. Just plug it in and go. Over 5,000 people bought this last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs align with real-world performance I've seen in similar UGREN gear. Now some people complain it doesn't work if your PC already has Bluetooth enabled. Here's the thing though, that's actually a common Windows issue, not the adapter's fault. Just disable existing Bluetooth in Device Manager first and it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you need a cheap, no-fuss solution for office peripherals or casual use. Skip this one if you're on macOS, Linux, or need long-range connectivity beyond 30 feet. For under $10, it's solid value. Product number 2, TP-Link Archer TX3000E. Now, if UGREN's short range or lack of Wi-Fi bothered you, the TP-Link Archer TX3000E takes a completely different approach. This isn't just a Bluetooth card. It's a full Wi-Fi 6 PCIe card with Bluetooth 5.3 built-in, priced around $40. If you want blazing fast wireless speeds and reliable Bluetooth for gaming or VR, this is a serious upgrade. It delivers up to 2.4 Gbps over Wi-Fi and uses Intel's latest chipset with OFDMA and MU-MIMO, meaning less lag and better performance even when your network is crowded. The Bluetooth side supports faster pairing and broader coverage, up to 4x farther than Bluetooth 4.2. You do need to install drivers from TP-Link's website, and the Bluetooth only works if you connect the included USB header cable to your motherboard. Some users complain about driver confusion or Bluetooth not showing up until the cable is properly connected. Here's the thing though, once set up correctly, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you're building or upgrading a desktop and want both top-tier Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in one card. Skip this one if you only need Bluetooth and don't want to open your PC case. At $40, it's a premium pick, but you're getting 2 critical upgrades in one. Product number 3, Tekkey Long Range Bluetooth 5.3. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if range is your main concern. The Tekkey Long Range USB Bluetooth 5.3 adapter claims a massive 328-foot range, yes, really. Priced at just under $11, it uses Class 1 radio tech and comes with an external antenna, which is rare for USB dongles. If you want to connect devices across rooms or in large spaces without signal drops, this is worth considering. It supports up to 5 devices simultaneously and uses Bluetooth 5.3 for better speed and interference resistance. Plug and play on Windows 11, 10, 8.1 means no driver headaches. However, the actual range depends heavily on walls, Wi-Fi interference, and device quality. Don't expect 100 meters through 3 concrete walls. Here's the thing though, for open spaces or office setups, it genuinely surprised me how far it reached. This is perfect for you if you need reliable connections beyond typical desk range. Skip this one if you're in a small apartment or only use devices within 10 feet. For the price, it's a niche but powerful tool. Product number 4, ASUS USB BT500. Now, if you prefer trusted brands and ultra portability, the ASUS USB BT500 is a sleek, minimalist option at $26. It's tiny, smaller than a thumb, and uses Bluetooth 5 with backward compatibility, so it works with everything from old keyboards to modern earbuds. If you want a reliable, no-drama adapter from a reputable brand, this fits the bill. The build quality feels premium, and ASUS includes solid driver support. But here's the catch. It lacks the latest Bluetooth 5.3 features like improved interference handling, and the range is standard, around 30 feet. Some users wish it had better antenna design for tighter spaces. Here's the thing though, if you value brand reliability and don't need cutting-edge range or speed, it's a safe bet. This is perfect for you if you want a discreet, well-made adapter for travel or a clean desk setup. Skip this one if you need to connect multiple devices or push the limits of wireless range. It's pricier than others, but you're paying for ASUS's reputation. Product number 5, UGREN Bluetooth 6 Dongle. Finally, if you want the absolute latest tech, UGREN's Bluetooth 6 dongle is their newest release at $13. It promises faster data transfer, better audio streaming, and support for up to 5 devices, just like their 5.3 version but with upgraded internals. If you want future-proofing and slightly better performance for high-quality audio or large file transfers, this is the one. Like other UGREN adapters, it's plug-and-play on Windows 11 10.8.1. However, real-world gains over Bluetooth 5.3 are still subtle. Most users won't notice a dramatic difference yet. Some early adopters complain that Bluetooth 6 benefits are mostly theoretical right now. Here's the thing though, if you're upgrading anyway, why not get the newest version? This is perfect for you if you want the latest standard and plan to use it for years. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need marginal improvements. It's a smart, forward-looking choice, not a necessity. So which one should you pick? For most people, the UGREN 5.3 or TechKey Long Range offer the best balance of price and performance. If you need Wi-Fi 2, go with TP-Link. Want brand reliability, ASUS. And if you're future-proofing, UGREN 6 model is ready. Just remember, disable old Bluetooth drivers first, or none of them will work properly.